All right, I'm over here at Tiger's Milk, Camps Bay. It's a spot called Tiger's Milk, and I'm over here on Camps Bay. And I told them to give me the most popular signature drink at this spot. I looked at the list, and there was one that said the famous Jack, which has Jack Daniels in it. Now, I've been drinking whites all day, so.
Y'all ready to die today?
I was hoping he didn't say that one. That's the exact one he said, but we in Cape Town, we in South Africa, we in Camps Bay. I'm doing the most signature drink at Tiger's Milk, Camps Bay right now, regardless of what I've been drinking, so. Just sitting here, man. Good morning, how you doing? I'm good, thank you. I'm sitting here at the lobby of the hotel. How you doing, man? I'm waiting to get picked up by the tour guide. The tour guide about to take us around, so we're just sitting here exploring the lobby. It's Cape Town Fire, nice. It's mad nice. I like it. Big milkshake with cake on top and cherry on top as well. Over here. Alright guys, I'm with my tour guide. Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Zasito Botma and I am Jay's tour guide.
Yes,
for the day.
There we go. We just left Bocap and now we're on our way to Camps Bay.
Yes, yes.
On the way to Camps Bay. We got Chapmans Peak coming up too. We're just gonna be cruising around and get some B-roll and we're gonna enjoy some good views. Yeah.
We are about to take a left now, so then you will be able to see Lion's Head.
Okay. Good. Damn. Wow.
Lion's Head. My God. So if you have to hike Lion's Head, you have a Lion's Head hike is going in a circle. It's around, and that is about 2 to 3 hours hiking.
I am in Cape Town, South Africa. I am in Cape Town, South Africa. Little old me, right? Hartford, Connecticut. I'm standing in Cape Town, South Africa right now, looking like a doof, but it's all good. It is all good. Look at that. Damn, I'm in Africa. That's when it's, ooh, that's when it started hitting. Like this. Out here like a child playing with my drone. With a drone strapped to my head. Taking pictures, doing what I love to do out here in Africa in February, 2 days before my birthday. Talk to me. All right, we still got Chapman's Peak to go, and we gotta go see the penguins, so we'll figure something out. Alright y'all, I done finally made it back to the hotel. I was outside today. I was outside for real, for real. Me and my tour guide Josie, we were outside. We went to Boulders Beach. And there they are, y'all. Penguins of Boulder Beach. My boy's got a stick. We went to Chapman's Peak. We went a bunch of places. We was just out and about. The tiredness done finally caught up with me, but I gotta be out of the hotel in about an hour, so I'm about to take a quick little 30-minute nap or whatever. And then I can't check into my next space until 3 o'clock, so between 2 and 3 I'm probably just gonna sit in the lobby, order some food, you know, eat something right fast, and then around 2:45 catch a Uber to my next destination. It should be 3 o'clock by the time I get there. So just checking in with y'all, get the last little views of this area right here.
3 hours later.
What's up, y'all? I just arrived up the steps. I had to go up a whole spiral staircase, but I just arrived at the second location. Going in for the first time with me. Dunkley house, penthouse. This is whew, the sleep I'm about to get up in here in a couple minutes is about to be phenomenal, magical. You feel me? Got some matches. I'm gonna light my favorite little candle that I brought with me from home. Get the smell goods in here, and that's it. We'll check back in with y'all.
Day 2.
Quick little fit check, you know. Shout out to Rue, you know. Go get y'all some Rooted Activewear, rootedactivewear.com. Go ahead and tap in. But yeah, we doing a quick little fit check because we about to get out the door in a minute. We going skydiving today. Yes, we are going skydiving today, and I am excited. Let's go with that. Excited. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but not too nervous. Let me get downstairs before I miss my little chauffeur to the skydiving spot. And I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I get in. I'm gonna tap in with y'all while I'm in. I'm gonna tap in when I'm getting out. I'm gonna tap in as long as the instructor say I can have this GoPro with me. I'm only taking the GoPro, so.
Brother,
I'm gonna stay tapped in, y'all. Stay focused, stay tuned. All right, y'all, we just got picked up, heading to the skydiving right now. What's your name, boss?
Mo.
Mo just came and got me, and we headed to the spot right now. I'm gonna capture some views on the way down so y'all can see what it's looking like out here. And hold on, I gotta pay my man Mo.
This is a paid production.
It's a paid production. Here you go, Mo. All right. And the next stop, we over to the Skydive. See, now the thing is, I've been talking about this for years. I was supposed to do it in California. I didn't do it.
You can't do it.
I had it booked in Japan. I didn't do it.
You can't do it.
But here we are, Cape Town, South Africa, and I am at the spot. Ain't no turning back now. We are here. This is it. I had to be covered, though, you feel me? Had to be covered in the whole armor of the Lord. So I got my Rooted Activewear on. Another plug. I am going to get that sponsorship. So at the time of shooting this video, this vlog, we were not sponsored. And that was February 2024. And here we are today, September 2024, and we have actually gotten that sponsorship. So what I want to do is go ahead and give a shout out to our sponsors over at Rooted Activewear. Rooted Activewear is a Black-owned clothing design company inspired by, but not limited to, the Christian faith. Rooted Activewear provides a comfortable and reliable product regardless of your activity of choice, gender, and fits most sizes. Let the folks over at Rooted Activewear know Shot Heavy Multimedia sent you by using promo code HEAVY10 at checkout and enjoy your 10% store-wide discount. That ad, whatever it's called, I'm gonna get it.
See, I did say that.
I'm going. That was mad African.
I don't like that.
Sorry, but nah, we gonna get that, and we gonna get this jump off too. So stay tuned. God.
Quick reaction, let's make it happen, I'm on a wave. Smooth assassin, there ain't no passion till I get paid. But I tell you, I'm the wrong one to deal with. Heard you rapping and trapping, for me it's just a real shit. Out of pocket, let's watch it, so crazy, it's so automatic. Counting dollars, we stacking, no spending, that's a deadly habit. Out of body and hang out the window like it's riding shotty. Know it's fiction, if you come up missing, they won't get out in y'all. Now you chillin' in the home of the lost. Too much dripping, but I can't turn off the sauce. Well wishes, but the coins don't get tossed. I ate your dinner, but it came at a cost. Flag down, man down, better look around. Mask on, mask off, don't you make a sound. Stand down, man down, this is my time. Mask on, mask off, don't let your guard down. I see them acting like they know us. Long ago they used to walk around with their nose up. But now we got it so the money never slow up. Out of habit, I can snatch a spot before you show up.
Body snatching, what's happening? They talk. We are back on the ground. We did it, yo. First time in Cape Town, first skydive. My man Henku is mixing up the video right now. Shout out to Henku. Got us right, got us back down here safely. I just jumped from 9,000 feet, y'all. 9,000 feet. Plane went over the water and everything. I got a little nervous at that part, I ain't gonna lie. I was chill the whole time until that plane got over the water. Then we got, yeah. I know me. If y'all knew me, I know I don't do no water, but it turned around, got back over the land, and we jumped. We jumped, and we landed. But I'm just waiting for the video to get mixed up now, and I'm headed back to my side of Cape Town, and we'll see what the rest of the day got for us. Have a good one, man. At the spot. House. Getting in that tub tonight. It's the last night. Yeah, we might gotta be back before sunset. I might have to do that for sure. But we back in the crib. Skydiving was a success, man. I made it. I'm here. It's just chill time right now. I'll probably be here for another hour, and then I'm out. I'm doing something. I'm getting into something. We'll figure something out. But yeah, I told y'all I was gonna keep y'all abreast of everything I was doing today. I ain't skipping. I'm not doing nothing crazy that involves me not being able to get the phone out. You know, I'm not taking in anything. I'm just doing stuff or not doing anything at all. So I got y'all. We're here. We're lit. This is day 2. Kendrick, if you don't mind, please tell the folks where we at.
Cape Town. Cape Town.
You damn right. Honestly, I haven't eaten all day. Like, I've barely eaten since I've been here, so I'm excited to get some food in my stomach, to be honest with y'all. But there's views, it's nice, all that is good and well, but it don't mean nothing when you're hangry. So we gonna get something in the box right fast, and we're gonna do our thing. All right, y'all, I'm feeling a lot better. I had some lunch, I had some drinks, and I had some hookah, and I'm feeling myself. But the only thing is, I don't do well in the heat, and I'm not sure why I thought Africa was gonna be chill, but no, Africa's hot. See that thing up there? Yeah, that's crazy. So I'm gonna do a little bit more walking around. I'm gonna show y'all what it's like out here on Muizenberg Beach, but I am calling me an Uber, and I am going back to the penthouse. I can't do this, therefore I won't do this.
You can't do it.
But for y'all, oh, we gonna get some footy. We gonna get some footy. There we go, Lion's Head. You feel me? Just walk with me for a little bit. Let's get a little bit of footage. Let's show South Africa that Connecticut has made it here, and Connecticut is here. And let's not mess up the ones on the way. Gotta respect the ones. I don't care if I'm in South Africa, we gotta respect the ones. You dig me? All right. I just wanted to do a quick little check-in. I'm trying not to make this vlog just be like, well, not trying to make it not be like me talking for 30 seconds and then like 2 minutes of B-roll, then me talk for another 30 seconds. But I'm also not just trying to aimlessly talk to y'all, so we're gonna figure out how we're gonna get the best content. But outside of that, y'all just stay tuned. There's more content coming. We got a few more activities going, so rock with me, stick with me. We got some coming.